Outdoor living spaces are at everyone's top of mind right now.
The idea of luxury outdoor living for me means friends and family hanging out, preferably around a kitchen as beautiful as this.
When you're outside and you're at the grill, people can face you, people sit at the stools, you can interact while you're cooking. I love that.
An emphasis and a focus on the outdoor living spaces is, I think, one of the most important things we can focus on as designers and builders.
We wanted the real feeling of indoor-outdoor living in this space.
Outdoor spaces were just as important as the indoor space of the homes.
What kind of outdoor living rooms are you going to create where people can gather?